Bonjour mes amis et bienvenue à la prochaine leçon virtuelle pour le français. Aujourd'hui, nous discutons les PCD au négatif ou avec les verbes modaux. Okay, mes amis, today we are looking at how to use direct subject pronouns in the negative and with modal verbs that you should have worked with the other day when you made your verb fold. So let's get started. So the PCD, just one more time, encore, just to make sure you remember which one's which. So when we need to say verb me, verb you, to, verb him, le, verb her, la, and that also works with whether you have a masculine or feminine object, le or la, and of course with te, le, and la. If the verb starts with a vowel, we abbreviate it to M apostrophe T apostrophe or L apostrophe. If we are verbing us, nous, verbing you all, or you formal, vous, and verbing them, we use les. You need to memorize these forms because you're going to want to use them in your communication. Le PCD en négatif. Le PCD se trouve dans le sandwich de ne pas. Se trouve located dans in. So when we use a PCD with the negative, we make sure it's inside ne pas. Just like we did with our reflexive pronouns, like when we said, je ne me lève pas, I'm not getting up. The me, the reflexive pronoun, is inside ne pas. The PCD is no different. The only difference is going to be what it means. Par exemple, je fais les devoirs, I'm doing the homework. J'emprunte le stylo, I'm borrowing the pen. Je clique la souris, I'm clicking the mouse. So first we're going to change these so it uses a direct object pronoun, a PCD first. So what is being done in the first sentence? Les devoirs, what replaces it? Les. J'emprunte le stylo, what's being borrowed? Le stylo, what replaces it? Le. Je clique la souris, what's being clicked? La souris, so that's going to be replaced with la. So when I rewrite those sentences using PCD, I should get je l'ai fait, je l'emprunte, je la clique. The PCD goes in front of the verb from which it's being verbed. So I'm doing them, I'm borrowing it, I'm clicking it. Now we're going to make them negative. So the ne pas goes around the verb still. And we got to make sure that the PCD is inside it as well. So I'm doing them becomes je ne les fais pas. I'm not doing them. Je l'emprunte becomes je ne l'emprunte pas. And je la clique becomes, I bet you can already think of it, je ne la clique pas. So try saying those one more time. Listen again. Je ne les fais pas. Try it. Je ne les fais pas. Okay, next one. Je ne l'emprunte pas. Je ne l'emprunte pas. And the last one. Je ne la clique pas. Je ne la clique pas. So we go to ne pas around our verb, as always. But now we're just going to make sure we're going to include that PCD that we're going to use. On y va. C'est à toi. Now it's your turn. Je rends les livres. I'm returning the books. Tu gagnes le match de tennis. You're winning the match. Elle actualise la fenêtre. She refreshes the window. Elle actualise la fenêtre. So I want you to do two things. One, rewrite these sentences so they use a PCD, just like we did in the previous slide. Then I want you to rewrite them again, but making them negative, just like we did. So you're going to write two things. So pause the video here if you need to work on it, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, mesdames, messieurs, hopefully you had a chance to work on it. Let's see. Did you put je les rends for the first one? I'm taking them back. Je les rends. Tu les gagnes. You're winning it. And elle actualise. She is refreshing it. Now, when you made them negative, hopefully you put the ne and the pas in the right place, and you have je ne les rends pas, and tu ne la gagnes pas, and elle n'actualise pas. If your sentences look like these, fantastique, bravo, je vous applaudis, I applaud you, je vous applaudis. If you didn't, figure out why you messed up. I'm wondering how many of you left de tennis where it was without thinking that it was a part of the noun. So, tu gagnes le match de tennis. That whole thing is what was won or winning. Le match de tennis. So that whole phrase is going to get taken out and replaced with just le. So, tu le gagnes is what we need there. And did you remember to put your L apostrophe for actualise? Other than that, I think everyone probably got it. Bon, on y va. Les PCD avec les verbes modaux. So with the modal verbs, these are verbs where we connect them to other actions. So want, can, or be able to, devoir, must, or to have to. But if you want to think of them as just can and must, totally fine, totally acceptable, and it's going to get you where you need to go. Passé composé, because we always got to make sure we know them. J'ai voulu, j'ai pu, and j'ai dû. Don't forget to put an accent mark on the U, j'ai dû. And we have our present tense forms. We need to make sure we add these because we're going to need to use these verbs. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, il veut. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il peut. Je dois, tu dois, il doit. Nous devons, vous devez, ils doivent. Bon. So, let's take a look at it. And this one's going to make more sense when we look at it in pairs. Tu veux porter les lunettes de protection? So, do you want to wear the protective glasses? Safety glasses, as we say. Tu veux porter les lunettes de protection? Oui, sans doute, je dois les porter. Yes, in fact, without a doubt, I must wear them. Notice where the PCD is. Les, meaning les lunettes de protection, is in front of porter, not in front of doit. So when we use one of these modal verbs, vouloir, pouvoir, and devoir, they will pretty much never get a PCD in front of them. They can only go in after a modal verb. In fact, the PCD has to go with the verb it belongs to. Are we musting them or wearing them? Porter, to wear. We're wearing them, so the PCD les needs to go in front of that verb. Je dois les porter. So take another two. Est-ce que vous pouvez graver la CD? Est-ce que vous pouvez graver la CD? Can you burn the CD? C'est possible. Nous pouvons le graver dans la salle d'informatique. It's possible. We can burn it in the computer room. Notice again, are we canning it or burning it? It being the CD. We are burning it, so it needs to go in front of graver, not pouvons. Nous pouvons le graver. Also notice graver and porter, not conjugated. We're talking about them, not doing them. Nous pouvons le graver dans la salle d'informatique. Next one. Devons-nous télécharger le fichier pour l'examen? Must we download the file for the test? Oui, vous devez le télécharger pour l'examen demain. Yes, you must download it for the test tomorrow. Vous devez le télécharger pour l'examen demain. Again, are we musting it or downloading it? It being le fichier. Since it is downloading it, le goes in front of télécharger, to download, and not in front of devez. One more example. Est-ce qu'elle peut démarrer l'ordinateur? Can they start up the computer? Est-ce qu'elle peut démarrer l'ordinateur? Oui, elles peuvent le démarrer. Oops, I got a spelling mistake there. I will fix that. Oui, elles peuvent le démarrer. Yes, they can start it. So are they canning it or starting it? Starting it. So le, which represents ordinateur, goes in front of démarrer. So with these modal verbs, pouvoir, vouloir, devoir, you should not put a PCD in front of them. And more importantly, the PCD needs to go in front of the verb that it's connected to. So you have like, which one's verbing it? That's where it goes, just like in these examples. So now I want you to try it. For every single one of these sentences, the word it is l'examen, which is masculine. So you should have a lot of le, L-E. So take a moment, pause, and I want you to try some of these sentences. It would be great if you tried all of them, especially the last one. They must not fail it because there we're adding a negative and using a modal verb. Ooh. So pause here and try translating these sentences. Okay, hopefully you've had enough time now. So I can save it. Well, we know what I can is. That should be je peux. We know save is sauvegarder. And it is going to be le for the test. So when we put it together, je peux le sauvegarder. I can save it. So again, the le goes in front of the verb it's connected to, which is save in the sentence, not in front of peut. And we got to make sure we conjugate everything correctly and not conjugate save. You must stop it. You must. Tu dois stop, arrêter, and it again is going to be le. So what should it look like? Tu dois l'arrêter. Again, l'examen goes in front of arrêter, not in front of doit. And it's going to be L apostrophe because arrêter starts with a vowel. He wants to print it. Il veut l'imprimer. So again, in front of the verb, not in front of the modal verb. We must research it. Nous devons le rechercher. In front of rechercher, not in front of devant. And y'all can take it with vous, hopefully is what you wrote. So vous pouvez, and you hopefully use the right word for take, because we're talking about the test, so it's going to be passer. When you're taking a test, you're actually going to pass the test. Vous pouvez le passer. It's a little optimistic. You will pass the test when you take a test. Vous pouvez le passer. Now for this last one, they must not fail it. Let's see how many put it in the right place. Where does the ne pas go in that sentence? Are we not failing or not musting? Let's see what you got it right. Il ne doit pas le rater. They must not fail it. Il ne doit pas le rater. If you didn't write it the way we wrote it on any of these sentences, go back and check and see what you could have done better to make sure you understand how to use these. Okay, mesdames, messieurs, I hope you took very good notes and wrote down all the examples. So this is tricky, but it comes really well with practice. With that, that is it for today. A bientôt, mes amis.